picture is that the 2 hours in the morning we spend in small groups. We think we'll probably manage to put you together in groups of 7. I think there'll be about 4 groups, and we'll work towards a build project. So the morning we'll be designing, we'll be drawing, we'll be testing, and in the afternoon we'll be fabricating, constructing and assembling and installing.
We spend time actually educating ourselves, learning about structural design and moving that fear into the known to be able to take control over our design. And I think we need to do the same with fire safety so that we can realize that actually we can do anything we want.
It's kind of normally like this, and once you sit on it, it compresses and holds you up.
I'm telling those from Istanbul what they know already. There's a rich cultural and architectural history, but it necessitates a nuanced approach to architectural resilience. How do we navigate seismic vulnerability? Can the integration of advanced seismic techniques such as base isolators and reinforced structural elements enhance the ability of existing buildings to withstand earthquakes? In this pursuit, can we not only protect the structural integrity of these buildings, but also diminish the risk of life-threatening collapses, thereby contributing significantly to the overall urban safety?
Of Istanbul's inherent resilience as a city. It seems to have this organic resilience where it has managed to survive and reform itself many times. Organic, but some of it might be a more top-down, overarching approach. But we were quite intrigued by the examples of retrofit and reuse that we have here in the city.
Hello, I'm Simon and I teach architecture. I teach at the Bartlett School of Architecture, and we have a group of students in Istanbul with me this week. I also teach at the Architectural Association and Nottingham University.
Hi there, my name is Michael Woodrow. I'm a lecturer in fire engineering and in University College London.
Okay, I'm Harry Betts. I'm a structural engineer. I work for a company in the real world, but I'm also a tutor at the University College London, and I'm the tutor to the studio, and we're visiting Istanbul.
Hello, I'm Büşra Berber. I'm an architect and researcher at Bartlett School of Architecture based in London. I am participating to organize this workshop in Turkish Design Council. I'm a teaching assistant for the design studio with Simon Beames.
Well, this year we've set our projects in Istanbul. We're interested in uncovering some of the issues that are clearly obvious to the rest of the world. The fact that Istanbul is on the Anatolian fault line, and it's likely, unfortunately, that at a certain time in the near future there will be an earthquake that might cause some destruction. Our students as engineers are interested in finding ways to accommodate that in the existing buildings, reinforcing those buildings, strengthening those buildings. We're also interested in the fact that the population of Istanbul has grown significantly in recent years, largely through the influx of refugees, and I think there are approximately 3.6 million Syrian refugees in Istanbul at the moment that aren't accommodated within the communities.
The focus of the workshop is in designing pneumatic structures, inflatable structures, and to be built in a variety of different creative ways.
So the focus of the workshop today was pneumatic structures and exploring the design and the making of pneumatics.
Türkiye Design Council is amazing host. We have been invited for this event series and they help us deeply. So also the location amazing. Our students are impressed with the all environment here. We are looking forward to back here soon.
Where do I begin? I mean, it's the most amazing organisation. We've never felt more welcome anywhere. And just speaking with the hosts now, it's something that is a privilege to be part of, because it seems like our boundaries are open for us to explore. In other places, we're constricted, we're always apologising, we're asking for permission to do things. Here, we're being pushed to the limits that we can possibly imagine. And we're quite imaginative people. So hopefully those limits aren't a little too extensive, but certainly we're going to be back whenever we're invited.
This is my first experience with the Turkey Design Council. I've never before worked with them, but so far it's been an incredible experience working with the Istanbul-based students, and we hope that our collaborations will be for the duration of the year and hopefully for many years thereafter. We're certainly learning a lot about the sites in and around Istanbul, and we're very much looking forward to working with the students for the rest of the year.
Yes, so we have had students from all different universities around Istanbul coming and learning about pneumatic structures, and we've given them quite a challenging brief, which is to make a pneumatic membrane tensile structure that is as big as it can be to fill the space in the Turkey Design Council. So the students have been collaborating. So we've got a mixture of UCL students and our Turkish university students, and they are working together and designing a feature pneumatic piece, so an artistic piece, but it also has to be well engineered using the background knowledge of the London students.
Amazing city. That's 2 words.
Thank you. It's I think so far it's been a fantastic experience.
In 3 words, it's enchanting is one that I'd like to use. A good bit of chaos, and it's just beautiful, isn't it?
Well, I designed something to do with earthquakes, as I thought that Istanbul is very seismic, and I thought I could use a pneumatic device for something to do with design and Istanbul.
So mine takes the inspiration from the morphology of a turtle's shell. They use compliant joints that allow for expansion and flexibility to construct a glove. So you wear it like this, and inside it has a silicon aerosol structure that inflates when you, basically when you shake your hand. So it has a sensor in here, and you connect it to the Arduino board, and it just inflates.
So for this workshop, what we're doing is we're going to have a wind tunnel, and the wind, we're gonna put our big plastic bag on the window, and then the air is gonna blow right in, and we're gonna inflate a very big volume.
I really like being here and working with all the students and coordinators, and it's a wonderful experience to work with people from abroad and also in Turkey and meet new students from different universities, and it's a nice place to network and introduce.
Meet somebody from abroad and from Bartlett also, and going with them to the Kuzguncuk and experience the Istanbul, it's perfect for me.